paano mag-apply ng maternity benefits sa SSS. First, mag-login muna. Tapos, kung wala pa pong bangko na kung saan papasok yung money, mag-apply ng disbursement account enrollment module. Click lang ang services, disbursement module, tapos disbursement account enrollment module. So, yan po ang lumabas. Basahin ang reminders. If done, click this box and then proceed. Ayan na po. I-apply po dito. I-enroll po muna. Basahin lang po muna ang mga nakasulat dito. Tapos, example, sa akin po ay bank. Gusto ko may pasok yung benefits sa bank. Ayan, the bank account name should be the same as your SSS registered name. Please provide the correct bank account number and not the ATM card number. You may contact the bank to ensure the correct account number. Okay. Next. I-click ang PesoNet participant name. Pumili ng inyong bangko kung saan ninyo gusto maipasok yung benefit. For example, Philippine National Bank. Tapos, i-enter lang po dyan yung account number. Bank account number. Confirm bank account number. Then, after that, i-complete ang mga documents. Attach supporting documents. Proof of payment. So, for example, kung gusto nyong ipapasok yan sa ATM card, pumili lang po kayo dito. So, for example, screenshot of online mobile banking account. Next, ito po ang possible na image ng online banking screenshot. So, upload proof of account must contain your account name, account number, and bank name. So, dapat may nakaano na po kayo screenshot, nakasave po sa inyong documents, and then after that, i-browse lang po yung file. Malaman nyo po na mayroon ng na-browse na po yung file kasi lumabas po dito yung file name ng inyong files. If done, proceed to ID card, identification, or document. ID card or identification document. Same thing. Okay, so this is an example of the ID. Same thing. Browse yung files. Tapos, after that, malaman nyo din na okay na siya kasi nakasulat po yung file name dito sa gilid. Next, mag-upload kayo ng selfie photo. Upload a chest-level selfie photo holding the following uploaded proof of account and uploaded valid government issued. Basahin lang po, tapos after that, browse file. So, pag natapos na po ang lahat, click lang po this one. Basahin po muna before i-click. If you agree, then click. And then, click enroll. Ito na po ang lumabas after clicking enroll. After clicking enroll, ito na po yung lumabas. Enrollment confirmation. At makareceive kayo nito sa inbox na mismo ng SSS website. Tapos after few minutes lang, na-approve na po ang ating disbursement account enrollment. Ang purpose po talaga na bakit i-apply po muna ito, ang disbursement modules, disbursement account enrollment module, kasi hindi po kayo makaproceed pag mag-process na po kayo sa maternity benefit. So after, pag na-register na po, dito na po kayo sa benefits. Yan po. Pipili na lang po kayo kung anong klaseng benefit ang gusto ninyong i-apply. Yan lang po. Thank you so much. Tamang-tama, kararating lang ng ating ROB, Report of Birth from Philippine Consulate. So, makapag-apply na tayo ngayon ng maternity benefit. So, since nakarating na po yung mga requirements natin, so it's time to apply for the SSS maternity benefit. So, log in, use user ID and then password, and then click sign in. Go to benefits. Ito, yung submit maternity notification ay maaari po itong i-apply kapag buntis pa lang. So, since this time, natapos ko na rin po itong na-i-apply. So, this time, mag-apply na po tayo ng maternity benefit after na ng pagpanganak. Yan po ang lumabas. So, basahin lang po lahat. This one, and then, if okay na, proceed. And then, proceed, and click OK. Maternity benefit application. Enter lang po, and then, click proceed. And then, ito na po ang lumabas. Required field, type of delivery, live birth, solo parent, with allocated leave credits. Fill up lang po dito. Tapos, after that, click the disbursement account. Then, click proceed. Ito na po ang lumabas. Attach documentary requirements and click proceed. Basahin and then click certify. After that, you have successfully submitted your maternity benefit at may ma-receive tayo na transaction number. Tapos, maka-receive din tayo ng email. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your maternity benefit application.